Any key actually, doesn't matter. In F sharp major. All right, and please shift it up an octave. Okay, so there's a lot of things going on, so you need to actually make sure. So step one, you are modulating from A major to F sharp major. Right. Another thing is coming from treble clef to the bass clef. Third thing, they want you to shift it up an octave. So do not retain the same pitch. 4, 3. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff you need to do. Right, so this is a nice question. Right, so step one, you do the key change by the key signature. Let's do that. F sharp major, how many sharps there? 6 sharp, yes. So let's do that. Now, it's very easy to make a mistake because of treble to clef. So, 6. Four, 5, 6. So you've done this key signature, done. Then, step 2. You find the position of these notes relative to A major. Meaning, what is the degree of these in terms of numbers? If A is 1, what is E? So if A, the tonic is 1, what number is E?
5.
5, right? So this is 5, so you just make a small note in pencil. Okay, this will be 5, this will be 6, 7, 8 or 1. Remember that. It's back to A. 8 or 1. Alright? Now it's 1 sharp because it's still on A. So 1 sharp. B is 2. C is 3. So that's the next step that you do in the original. You find the numeric degree, the position in numbers. Step 3. I don't know what step you are, but I'm sure you follow it. Right. So in A major, you started on the 5th. Right. In F sharp major, you will also start on the 5th. But the question said, please take it 1 step up. But let's start with the same position. So if I am in F sharp major, F sharp being 1, what note is number 5 in F sharp major? Yes? C sharp, correct. So C sharp will be my first note. So E, C. So C sharp. And then, as you can see, it just goes 1 step up. 1 step, this, sharp, step, step. So you can do the same thing. So C, D, E, wait, C, D, E, F, C, D, E, this is E. Did I miss my C now? G, F, E, D, C, D, it's on the line. C, D, E, F sharp, 1. Then another one, that sharp, remember there was 1 here and then there was 1 again. 1, 1, 2, F, G, 3, A. So, what I've done here is A is 1, E 5 of 1, 6, 7, da, 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 da. You find the numeric degree of the original. Then you take the numeric position, you translate it in your next key, because numbers or tonic technical degrees are always the same. A tonic will always be a tonic everywhere. Dominant will always be a dominant anyway, it doesn't change, but your key, they will change notes. But if you say 5 of 1, 5 of A is E, 5 of E is B. 5 of F sharp is C. So it will always be 5. That's why he's taking the 5 and saying, I want my 5 here as well. Because that's what transposition is. You're shifting something from one key to another. It's like modulation. Okay, so this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, E, F, this is 8 or 1, and then this must be sharp 1 or 1 sharp. This is 2, F, G, and this is 3. So now you've matched the numbers, the degrees, the numeric degrees. There's 1, 1 sharp, 1 sharp, 2, 2, 3, 3. But this is relative to F sharp, another key. So you've successfully now moved or modulated or transposed from A major to F sharp. The reason why I'm just putting dots here is because of what other reason they asked you to do. What did they also ask you to do?
Take it up an octave.
Yes, correct. So then after you've put these in place, you do the next instruction where you take this, you just shift it up an octave. Each note goes up an octave. So this is C sharp, there's my C. There. So now I'm going to do this in red. Put there C, D, there's D up an octave. E, E here. F sharp there. F sharp there. G there. A there. So I'm done with this now. I've shifted it up. So my final answer will be there for sure. Guaranteed. Now we put our stems. So this is up, down, down, and crotchet. Then you find other stuff now. Sharps, flats, wada, 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 wada. 1 here is repeated. A major. Here's A, the tonic. The tonic is sharpened here. So I need to do the same thing. There's my F sharp, tonic. My F sharp must now be raised. How do we raise a sharp? 1 step up.
Double sharp.
Yes, thanks Mumalo. It's double sharp. You put an X. And then that's your final answer. That's how you transpose something. Remember, this step 1 was taking something from the bass clef to a treble clef, and then the other way around. Now you're taking something from one key to the next key. You start with the key. What key am I coming from? Okay, there. Also, bear in mind of the clef as well. This is a very nice question. It's loaded with a lot of things. Because 1, you're changing clefs. 2, you're changing keys. 3, you're changing ranges, octave. It's very nice. 4, there's a sharp there. Only proper music students like you guys will know. Sharp there is a double sharp. See, it's like I'm properly testing you. You're here for the education. I'm giving you the education that you're here for. So that's how you do transposing. Any questions?
Can you please just explain to me once more, why is that a double sharp?
Yes, yes. So the tonic is F sharp, right? So there's F sharp, it's already sharpened. There the original is A in A major, the tonic number 1. But now you play the tonic in the next one, but it's sharpened there, right? In the original one. So this is still position 1, but this is position 1 sharp. By the time you play your transposed version, F sharp, which is the tonic, right? It's already sharp. Yes, yes. So now I don't want to put sharp again because it's still going to be F sharp. If you were to put a sharp here, F sharp, you're not affecting this. It'll still be, if you put a sharp here, it's going to be F sharp, which is not correct. Yes. So that's why we put a double sharp to say, we know it's already sharp, but this is 2 times now. Bam, it's G natural. Yes, so that's why.
And can I ask, how does
Yes.
a double sharp sound on the piano?
It's just another note. It's like G. So for example, if you're playing, what is this? C sharp, D sharp. Is it E sharp there? Ends D. Wait, let me play the original. So the original is E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, and then C sharp. So that's the original. E, F sharp, G, A sharp, B, C sharp. And then the next one is in F sharp, will be C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, F double sharp, and then you have G sharp, and then you have A. It's A sharp. So that F sharp, and then F double sharp sounds like that. And then the A into A sharp, F sharp, F double sharp. So it's the same distance. A sharp, F sharp, F double sharp. It still maintains the semitone above. Semitone above. All the steps between each note must be the same here. All the positions must be the same. If it's not the same, then something is wrong, basically. So start with the key. Make sure you understand the clef. You'd be lucky if it's the same clef. If it's like treble, okay, you're chilling. Which I doubt will be the case though. So treble, bass, key, find the numeric degree of your scale. And you do that by saying, if I'm in A major, right? A major, A is 1. The first half is a tonic. Then you find the rest, even if you write to the side. And then you say, okay, E, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5. F, check, F, da 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 da. Then after you've translated or put the next key, you do the same thing. If I'm in F sharp is 1. Right. What is 5? Then you put the note 5. What is 6? You put the note 6. Da, 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 da. You're translating by numbers. By numbers. It's a nice question. Right. No other questions. Good. Okay. So next one is full part harmony and rules. This one, that's why I was emphasizing practicing. Because the reason for this is